Check areas of the leaking shower or bath for signs of water penetration and visually assess the internal areas of the leaking shower or bath for damage or deterioration. Strip the existing grout out of the walls and floor and remove any mouldy or deteriorated sealants such as silicone. Clean and remove all waste material and vacuum excess dust from prepared areas. Mix epoxy grout part 1 and part 2 plus grout colour. Regrout walls and floor and replace damaged tiles on floor and walls as needed. Remove and clean all waste materials on walls and floors using clean water. Ensure all surfaces are thoroughly dried before the next step. Silicone the internal areas of the shower screen. Prepare wall and floor junctions using engineered diamond burrs and seal shower screen and internal floor waste. Clean and scrape the floor before using chlorine chemicals. Mix part 1 and part 2 of clear waterproofing. Apply clear waterproofing with 2 coats. The Colour Seal waterproofing membrane is guaranteed for 15 years, and with our clear penetrating sealing service, we guarantee that your tiles and grout will stay stain resistant for up to 10 years or we'll retreat the surface free. Call us today on 1300 698 559 or email sales@unitedtradelinks.com.au or visit our website www.unitedtradelinks.com.au.